everyone! Today we're doing the easiest fluffy eyebrow tutorial, so grab your spoolie. Now I like to do my brows first in my makeup routine, but if you prefer to do your foundation first, by all means do that. The first thing you need to do is take an eyebrow spoolie and brush all your hairs up, and subscribe to my channel. Now to fill in your brows, you can use powder or an eyebrow pencil that matches your brow hairs or your hair. I'm using these two shades from INSPR and a small flat angled brush, but use what you have. First, I mark out where my brows should go by taking some powder on my brush and lining up the inner corner of my eye with my brows and marking it. Then lining up my brush with the corner of my nostril and the outer corner of my eye and marking the end of the tail. Once the brow is plotted out, I take my lighter shade of brow powder and trace the underside of my eyebrows. Then trace the top. Then fill in the brow using a lighter hand near the front. Now this is optional, but I like to darken the tail of the eyebrow a bit so they look a little bit ombre. Now brush all your hairs back up again to see if there are any spots that were missed, and then fill them in. Then repeat on the other side. Now this step is totally optional, but I like to further define my brows by taking my concealer and a flat brush and tracing underneath. This is also a good way to make sure that the brows are even. Just draw a little unibrow connecting the bottom of both eyebrows to make sure they're even. Then trace the rest of the underside of the brows. Then you're going to take an eyebrow gel or a wax. I'm using MAC's Brow Set, and just use this to brush all your hairs up again, and not straight up but kind of up and back. And then I did the rest of my makeup. And that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Unorthodoll. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.